Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun Easter video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw an Easter donut surprise fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Easter donut surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give my paper a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Now when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I'm going to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now to start off with our Easter donut, we want to make a nice circle on our paper. So I'm going to trace this little circle paint palette. If you don't have anything to trace, you can just go ahead and do it freehand. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to make a nice sad face on the top. And then we'll make a nice happy face on the bottom for our circle. Now right inside of here, I'm going to make a small sad face and a small happy face for the inside of my donut. Now I want to make this look like a little bunny. So I'm going to begin by drawing a circle for an eye, and then I'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white in the corner, or on the top I should say, since circles don't have corners. And I'll do the same thing over here. In the middle, let's make a line across, and then let's make a line that goes down and up for a cute little bunny nose. Next we're going to go down and up, and then down and up for some little cheeks. And then we can add a couple little lines on each side for some whiskers. Now for the ears, let's draw a line that's going to come out and then down. We're going to do that same thing here. Let's go out and then down. I'll bring this up. We'll do the same thing on this side. Just bring it up. Now I'm going to go down 1, 2, and 3 lines. Let's do that again over here. So we're going to go down. It looks pretty skinny. So we did 1, 2, and 3 lines. That way we have the little inside of our bunny donut. Now right across the bottom here, to make it look like there's icing, I'm going to make a little wavy line right across here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once this is open, we have 2 halves of our bunny donut. So let's begin down here and continue. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a sad face to connect the circle. And then I'm just going to make another sad face to connect this one. We can turn this into another bunny donut. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a circle up here, and then I'm going to make a circle up here, pretty close to the top. I'll make a small circle inside each one, and then just color that in. And then I'm going to put the nose really close to the top. And we'll make the 2 little curves for cheeks. We'll add some little lines for whiskers. And then I'm just going to make a little bunny ear over here. And then I'll make a second little kind of curved bunny ear over here. So it looks a little different than the first one. Then I'm going to make a smaller oval shape inside of here. And I'm kind of keeping it more to one side. Now let's make another one. Let's make a little donut chick over here. So let's begin by making a circle shape. And I'm going to stop right about there. I'm going to make a little line that goes out and in. And then I'm going to make it a little wavy here. And and then I'll curve a line here. That way it kind of looks like there's icing. I'm going to make a circle that I'm not going to connect, and then I'll draw a little line in here. I'll also make a little bump here. For this, let's draw a circle for the eye and another circle here. We'll do that same thing, color in most of it, leaving a little bit white. And then we'll make a little sideways triangle shape with a little smile on it for our little chick donut. We can even add some bumps on top, maybe even a few little eyelashes to make it extra cute. Now let's make a donut over here. So this one, what I'm going to do, we're going to make like a long kind of carrot eclair donut. So let's begin by making a wavy line that comes to here, and then we're going to curve this around and bring it right to the top of the bunny ear. We're going to bring this line down to here, since it's like a long donut like an eclair. And then we'll make some bumps on top of here. Next, let's make a long wavy line that's just going to kind of snake around back and forth. And then we're just going to kind of redraw that line. We're just going to kind of snake this around. This will be like some fun icing on this carrot donut. Now let's make another donut over here. So let's draw a nice big circle shape. And then we're going to make like a big C shape in here. And then we'll kind of curve this one around. Now this one, we're going to kind of cover this donut in jelly beans. So let's make some round jelly bean shapes all over this donut. So we're just going to make these kind of jelly bean shapes. We'll make some half ones over here. We can even make some kind of coming off or kind of right around the top here. We can put another one over here. Now, I want to finish off this donut here, but let's add a little bit of like more detail to it. So what I want to do is I'm going to give it some feet. So we're going to draw a line that's going to curve up like this. We'll make another curve, and then one more that's going to come down. Let's do that over here. We're going to bring this up to here. Then we're going to make a curve here. And then we're going to make a curve right here. I'll bring this line down a little bit. Let's make some oval shapes for the toes, and then a big oval shape for the foot. We'll do some oval shapes, and then we'll make a big oval shape. Next, we can curve this down and curve this down. And we can make a nice smile for our little bunny donut here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Easter donut surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have a cute little bunny donut, and then when we open it, we can see that there are a bunch more donuts inside. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.